40% solar effects. Next year 37. Just dead in the legal limit. Go ahead and close the door on it. Here's the beauty of it. We just tint this thing and back it out. We can already roll the window down. And I got Tent Master D in there. The sun that's smiling like a possum eating sawbriar. You know why you can do that? Along with the aggressive adhesive on this and the use of the sledgehammer, you can't beat it. But look how dark this looks, but yet it reads 37%. When somebody says dark but legal, this is your dog right here. When you can take a $200 tent job and turn it into a $350 ticket by doing nothing more than upselling ceramic, it's a no-brainer, guys. It gives the customers what they want. It gives you the advantage of having sold more ceramic than anybody in your area. You got a happy customer.